Fight, and you'll die. Run, and you'll live, at least a while. And dying in your beds many years from now, would you be willing to trade all the days from this day till then for one chance, just one chance, to come back here and tell your enemies that they may take our lives, but they'll never take our air compressors and our generators? I guess what I'm trying to say is, if it's blue, it works. Debon-Air Compressors. If that's in your factory, you've got peace of mind. Freedom. 24/7 service, and they've got 3 branches across South Africa. Durban, Cape Town, and Johannesburg. Bloody amazing.